Okay, that's recording, I think. Yep. Alright guys, first unboxing of the year from my friend Sep. I know what's in here because I can feel it. I worked last night, New Year's Eve, came home this morning, found this on the kitchen table, and yeah, nice surprise for the new year. Come home after doing a shift, and I need something to open. Can you believe it? I don't have a cutting instrument. Nope. My EDC is actually in the car. Guess I have to do it the old-fashioned way. Can you believe this? Good. Yummy. Vielen Dank, Sep. Green Mitch Speck. Yum yum yum. I'm going to have some of that tonight. I'm working a 13-hour shift at the moment. Wish you a wonderful Christmas time and Happy New Year. Take care, stay well and safe, my good friend. Sep with family.
Hello, Lee.
Oh, shut up.
And this guy, we're just going to be doing this something.
Alright guys, first unboxing for 2014 and it's edible and I'm at work. So, Happy New Year guys. Like I said in my previous video, stay safe, have fun, and I'll see you guys in the new year with more videos. There's a slight twist coming to some of my videos, I hope. I got an idea in my head that's been rolling around for a couple of years now that I want to enact, and some of my friends know about it because I've spoken to them about it, but yeah, it's going to be a big surprise. But until then, the usual stuff will be coming up, like camping, knives, bushcraft, all that sort of stuff. So yeah, thanks for subscribing guys, and to all my subscribers and all my friends on Facebook and YouTube, Happy New Year, Merry Christmas for the one just gone, and yeah, have a good time. I'll see you all guys soon. Bye.